7 factors to consider before subscribing to an AI chatbot service. AI chatbots have altered our workflows to the point where it's difficult to envision life without them. The capabilities will only improve as language models from Google, OpenAI, and Meta continue to evolve. There are already numerous chatbots that differ in terms of functionality and linguistic model. Most generative AI chatbots require a subscription to gain new capabilities. But how do you know you've picked the proper one? In this section, we'll go over 7 features to look for when signing up for one of these services. 1. Accurate response. The output of AI chatbots can occasionally be erroneous or irrational due to a condition known as AI hallucination. While chatbots are proficient at responding to simple commands, they can have trouble understanding lengthier or trickier inquiries when discussing cutting-edge technology. This type of trade-off is expected. Contextual memory and comprehension are 2 variables that affect chatbot accuracy. Try out the free version of a chatbot service before you decide to subscribe. You can test the accuracy of chatbots like ChatGPT and Perplexity's free versions. Generally speaking, if the free version is nice, the paid version will likely be even better. 2. Data privacy and security. Even though many people are starting to employ AI tools, the field is still substantially unexplored. It is difficult to foresee how AI will change society and how we will respond to it. Additionally, there are worries that chatbots like ChatGPT pose a privacy danger. For instance, the company that created ChatGPT, OpenAI, has said that they will examine your ChatGPT chats to improve their training. How much data they are gathering and what they want to do with it in the long run are both unknowns. The best you can do is make sure the service you're using has good privacy standards and that you don't provide any generative AI chatbots your private information or personal data. 3. Contextual knowledge. We discovered that Perplexity AI was quicker, whereas ChatGPT Plus had a superior contextual awareness when comparing the 2 systems. This is why ChatGPT Plus performs better than most other chatbots in terms of providing thorough responses. An AI chatbot that has trouble recognizing context will begin to hallucinate and respond irrationally. An AI chatbot differs from a search engine in that it understands context. However, the distinction between the 2 is starting to wane. An AI chatbot is a feature of the Bing AI search engine. It has a respectable awareness of context and can retrieve information from the web instantly. The language model and how it was trained determine the degree of contextual knowledge. Once more, you should test the free version to see if it works. 4. Information base. Most AI chatbots are educated using a small body of knowledge. They have information cutoffs, which prevent them from accessing information made available after a specific date. With ChatGPT, which is trained on data through September 2021. This is a well-known problem. An obvious solution to this issue is having access to the internet. Now that Microsoft's Bing is powered by AI, Bing AI Chat has unlimited access to the web and current, pertinent information. This feature is also available in ChatGPT Plus in the form of plugins. But if you want to use them, you'll need to upgrade from the free version. 5. Language model. The kind of large language model, LLM, that each AI chatbot employs makes the biggest difference between them. For instance, Perplexity's commercial version offers you access to GPT-4, while the free version only employs GPT-3. In the case of ChatGPT, the circumstances are comparable. Others utilize Meta's Llama or one of its numerous variations. while some chatbots, like Bard, use Google's Palm 2 LLM. The majority of AI chatbots currently seem to employ GPT-3 or GPT-4. GPT-3 is highly capable, but GPT-4 is far superior. The latter is trained on a larger dataset, is better at comprehending longer prompts, and has higher contextual comprehension. 6. Language support. The capacity to communicate in multiple languages is one of the best advantages of AI chatbots. Almost any language can be entered, and the majority of AI chatbots will react in that language. Not all AI chatbots, nevertheless, have this capability. Perplexity AI, for instance, responds by default to English even if it is capable of understanding the majority of languages. Thankfully, you can choose the language you want. When Google Bard was launched, one of its numerous drawbacks was the lack of language support. Since Google released an update to address that problem, Bard can now react in any language you want. Since AI chatbots are getting better all the time, multilingual support shouldn't be a problem. To make sure the translation capabilities of a potential AI chatbot are up to par, you should nonetheless give it a try. 7. Plans and costs. Most AI chatbots come in both a free and a premium edition, with the latter having more advanced functionality. The free version of ChatGPT, for instance, performs admirably, but paying to Plus grants you access to GPT-4 and plugins. Similar to GPT-4, Perplexity is free, but upgrading to Perplexity Pro grants you access to the file upload capability and other GPT-4 uses. You should carefully assess whether the premium AI chatbot versions are worthwhile. The features are typically excellent for the price, but it also depends on how much use you'll make of them. Keep in mind that the paid versions typically operate more quickly than the free ones. If your workflow contains jobs that need to be completed quickly, paying for faster responses ought to be obvious.